Army, Director of 4O Sector Community Defense Center, who will be guiding us through today's graduation.
We would like to also. You may now please be seated.
We will now witness the entrance march of Group 3 cadets. May we request everyone to please stand for the entrance of colors. And now, let us proceed to sing the Philippine National Anthem.
Open ka man! Now!
Lupa ang hinira.
Now!
This remains standing for the application to be led by Kate Hazel May Abay. Once thou art noon natin pagkakaroon salamat sa ating ito. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataon na at kung ipag-ilaw na ng ating Panginoon. Salamat talaga dahil ang pagkakaligtas sa atin. Namin oras yung presensya at tagal sa doon. Away yung kamalakas at aming pagkakas ang pagkakaroon ng mga instructors at ang mga bagong pagkakapos. Pagkakaroon ng mga lahat sa inyo. Sa inyo na namin pinagkakatiwala at ang aming Panginoon.
Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the headquarters 402nd Community Defense Center for the Regional Community Defense Group Reserve Command Philippine Army in Camp Diego de los Tanza Cavite, as we witness the joint closing and opening ceremony of 3rd Group and 4th Group Work Commercials of Tanza National Grade School for the Caterer Basic Education Curriculum set forth by the Department of Education. With Major Artemio J. Alusada, Military Intelligence Philippine Army Director of 402nd Community Defense Center as the keynote speaker. We are your hosts, Cadet Mark Angelo Chorondo,
And Cadet Nasty Maureen Mejano.
and we have the privilege of being your masters of ceremony for today's activity.
Over the course of this immersion, our cadets have honed valuable skills, gained profound insights insights and develop a deeper understanding of civic responsibility.
They have risen to every challenge, from early morning drills to complex tasks, all while fostering a spirit of camaraderie and service. And now, without further ado, let us begin our ceremony. And now, as we proceed on this program, we will call Technical Sergeant Jonathan T. Almes, Adjutant General Service Philippine Army, the Chief of 402nd Community Defense Center, to deliver his welcome remarks. Please give them a round of applause.
Good afternoon sa ating lahat. Una sa ating Director, Major Luzano Sir, and Dr. Tantumpas, Dr. na private pa. Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Camila. At Zero, Sergeant Pan, sa ating mga parents na nandito, at sa ating Batch 1, taas kamay. Meron ba dyan? Okay na dyan. Dyan. Batch 2. Oh, good. Oh, thank you. At sa ating mga training staff na napakasisipag, sa ating mga admin, no? Sa ating organic personnel, lahat-lahat na, baka hindi mo nabanggit yung iba nating tropa at mga panauhin natin, mga guardians. So, magandang hapon sa ating pagpapilin na kasi kanina ulan, kaya madali ang nag-ipat kami ng venue. Ito yung So, this time, ito po yung pang-tatlo. Ang magiging pang-apat na closing kasi pang-fourth batch na ito. For the information of everyone, ang 402nd Community Defense Center ay nakapag-handle na tayo of about 2,000 mahigit na ng last year pa. So ngayon, nasa mga about 600 na naman at madadagdagan pa. So part ng aming mission is to assist the senior high school or the junior high school students para magiging i-train namin ng basic military leadership. At nakita nyo naman ang pagkakaiba. No? 15 days lang, napakakulang po yan para sa mga magulang at guardians natin. Pag entrance pa lang, hindi man ganun ka-perfect, pero 15 days lang nag-training yan. How much more than taon? No? So yun yung ating mga, at saka hindi lang doon nagtapos ang kanilang snappy sa pag-marching, kundi yung kanilang disiplina. Ayan. So, kagaya ngayon, ako po ay laging MC dito sa lahat ng program, but this time, naging flow, no? Hindi na ako, more on supervision na lang ako, ganyan itong gawin. Hindi na kaya dati, ako lahat ng gagawa ng screen, ako lahat ng program, ako lahat, ako tulad na ako na rin ng object. So, mabuti na lang natin yung ating mga, palakpakan natin yung mga S1, thank you very much, S1, please, palakpakan natin. Sasacrifice pa. Ngayon, nung nasira yung printer natin ulit, nandiyan yung printer nila at mga laptop. Thank you. So, mga ganun sana, no? Part ng discipline natin. And thank you sa ating partners na si Ma'am Anubas at si Sir Dindy. So, dito, welcome natin lahat ng mga basic dito kasi gusto natin to support ng ROTC. And of course, yung ating discipline po ang pinakakaya kami na natin yung batch group 4, yung nanibago. So dito naman, ang training natin dito is more on leadership. Meron din tayong konting housekeeping, admin duties, at of course, yung ating mga basic drills naman hindi naman masyadong mahirap. Okay, so with that, para lang tayo tatagal, we heartily welcome you all and congratulations pala sa ating outgoing na Group 3 and good luck din sa ating Group 4 para sa the same training. Yun na po, maraming salamat natin ang hapon sa ating lahat.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful remarks you have provided for us today. The insights you have shared not only reflect on your learning here at 402nd Community Defense Center, but also guide the path ahead of us.
Moving forward, we have come to a special portion of our program that encapsulates the journey of Class 3.
What are you about to witness is more than just a video presentation. It is a testament to the dedication, hard work, and growth that each member of Class 3 has experienced during their time at the 402nd Community Defense Center. Without further ado, we present to you
The journey of Class 3. We may request everyone to give time for the presentation of the psychosis of the training.
Ayan, yung mga panood natin is yung effort ninyo. Ayan, yung boses lang yun.
Community Defense Center to present the graduating students of Class 3 for completing after the 15 days work immersion inside the 402nd Community Defense Center, Campo de Dios, Tanza, Cavite.
Good afternoon sa nila. To major ano sa sir, as the training Assistant Training ETO for Rosario CBC, I have the honor to present to you the 199 total of Group 3 Senior High School students from Tansa National Trade School who have satisfactorily completed the 120 hours work immersion cross-trained with basic military leadership training held at this center from 04 to 24 September 2024. They are composed of 156 male and 43 female cadets. Recommend sir that the sir training close and the student be declared graduate effective this day. Likewise, further recommend sir that the same training of group 4 students composed of 4 male, 6 male, and 24 female may be declared open effective this date, sir.
Was the director of the Third Command.
Thank you so much, sir, for your declaration, and of course, congratulations to the third group and good luck to the fourth group.
Please be seated.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have now reached to one of the most anticipated moments of our ceremony. The distribution of certificates, special award, and leadership awards.
These certificates and awards represent not just the completion of the work immersion program, but also recognize exceptional performance and dedication shown by our graduates. The graduates showed wonderful results through the help of our kind-hearted yet strict instructors who made this achievement possible.
Please allow us to read the citation. Headquarters 402nd Community Defense Center, 4th Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, Certificate of Completion is hereby presented to students for having satisfactorily completed the 120 hours requirements for senior high school work immersion of the K-12 basic education curriculum for school year 2024 to 2025 set forth by the Department of Education. Cross-trained with basic military leadership held at headquarters 402nd Community Defense Center, 4th Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, given this 24th day of September 2024 at Camp Rio de Dios, Tansa, Cavite.
Signed by Major Artemio J. Alusada, Military Intelligence Philippine Army, Director of 402nd Community Defense Center. At this point, may we request the presence of our keynote speaker, Major Artemio J. Alusada, Military Intelligence Philippine Army, together with Dr. Crescencia T. Canubas to facilitate the distribution of certificates.
The certificates for the Alpha Company will be received in bulk by Cadet Janinel B. Ambral.
The certificate of completion for the female cadets will be also
Cadet Chasimir B. Mateo. Please give them a round of applause.
Let us now proceed to the special awards and please allow us Headquarters 402nd Community Defense Center for Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, Certificate of Leadership is hereby awarded to cadets who have demonstrated exceptional leadership skills throughout the program held at Headquarters 402nd Community Defense Center for Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, given this 24th day of September 2024 at Camp Diego de Dios, Tanza, Cavite.
Signed by Major Artemio J. Alusada, Military Intelligence Philippine Army, Director of 402nd Community Defense Center.
May we request our keynote speaker, Major Artemio J. And now, the Certificate of Leadership Award is hereby awarded to
Cadet Mero L. Arroyo.
Cadet Liberty Amor O. Laguy. Cadet Justin Raymond Fortales.
Cadet Sir Lawrence M. Marin.
Cadet Roella A. N. Carbonell.
Cadet Angela Joy C. Mendoza.
Cadet Jasper E. Albino.
Cadet Sheena Ann M. Martinez.
Cadet John Lander M. Valiente.
Cadet John Lloyd M. Nieme.
Cadet Eddie John B. Encarte.
Cadet Arnel P. Tadura.
Cadet John R. Miñano.
Cadet Lisa May Mule.
Lausi pa, no? Mga lausi pa. Ah.
Cadet Christian B. Bendivel,
Cadet Genevieve L. Guillermo.
Cadet Jan Philippe Desender. Please give them a round of applause. Let us now move on to the recipients of certificates of appreciation and allow us to read the citation. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to cadets who arranged the flow of the ceremony throughout the program held at Headquarters 402nd Community Defense Center, 4th Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, given this 24th day of September 2024 at Campo Diego de Dios, Tanza, Cavite.
Signed by Major Artemio J. Alusada, Military Intelligence, Philippine Army, Director of 402nd Community Defense Center.
And now, the certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Cadet Leon G.B. Rosales.
Once again, we call on Cadet Yanji B. Rosales as member of the admin team who facilitated this program and documentation of the class, which resulted in the successful preparation of the program. Cadet Mark Angelo Achundo. Cadet Market Angelo A. Achondo. And Cadet Yanji B. Rosales, member of the admin team. Cadet Nasi Maureen P. Rihano.
Cadet Dexter M. Sorceno. Cadet MJ.A. Barrios. Cadet Hazel May L. Abaya. Cadet Irish May B. Gonzalez.
Cadet Justin B. Bernades.
Cadet Liberty Amor O. Laburin. And Cadet Alessandra F. Bulasti as the most outstanding admin support personnel for 402nd Community Defense Center. Please give them a round of applause. moving forward to the next certificate of most cooperative cadet and allow us to read the citation. Certificate of most cooperative cadet is hereby awarded to cadets for having displayed the cooperation needed during the work immersion program held at the headquarters 407 Community Defense Center for Regional Community Defense Group Reserve Command, Philippine Army, given this 24th day of September 2024 at Camp Diego de Dios ng Cavite.
Signed by Major Artemio J. Alusada, Military Intelligence, Philippine Army, Director of 402nd Community Defense Center.
And now, the certificate of most cooperative cadet award is hereby awarded to Cadet Aaron Jedrick E. Serra.
And Cadet Jericho L. Guerrera.
Next, the certificate of most illustrious cadet award, and please let us read the citation. Certificate of most illustrious cadet award is hereby awarded to cadets who took over a unique way of providing support for their fellow cadet during the work immersion program held at headquarters 402nd Community Defense Center for the Regional Community Defense Group Reserve Command, Philippine Army, given this 24th day of September 2024 at Camp Diego de Dios, Cavite.
Signed by Major Artemio J. Alusada, Military Intelligence, Philippine Army, Director of 402nd Community Defense Center.
And now, the certificate of most illustrious cadet award is hereby awarded to Cadet Liberty Amor O. Lagurin,
Cadet Ruela Ann L. Carbonell.
Cadet Andrea Joyce Mendoza,
Cadet Risa May A. Dule.
Cadet Genevieve L. Uyanguri.
Congratulations on taking over other cadets and giving support to those in need.
Now, let us move on to the certificate of most dedicated cadet, and please allow us to read the citation. And now, the certificate of most dedicated cadet award is hereby awarded to Cadet Sheila Ann M. Martinez. Congratulations on receiving this wonderful award. Let us now move on to the certificate of most snappiest cadet, and please allow us to read the citation. And now, the certificate of most snappiest cadet award is hereby awarded to Cadet Dwayne S. Reveza,
Cadet Jan Ice A. Mangulat.
Cadet Justin Dave M. Dominguez,
Cadet Fletch Melvin H. Alejo.
and Cadet Paul C. Abu.
Congratulations everyone. We will now proceed to the certificate of most hardworking cadet, and please allow us to read the citation. And now, the certificate of most hardworking cadet award is hereby awarded to
Cadet Harry A. Hutara,
Cadet Jaymar Onsala,
and Cadet Vince Asil O. Bobadilla.
Last but not the least, we may now proceed to the certificate for the most hardworking cadet, most outstanding cadet, and most snappiest cadet. And now, these certificates are hereby awarded to Cadet
Oh, hindi siya
Rex
hindi siya
Gutierrez
nagsalat.
Luzaban.
And Cadet Ronald Pizarro. Please give them a round of applause. We are so proud of your achievements as fellow cadets, and congratulations to all cadets who performed well in their 120 hours work immersion inside the 402nd Cavite Community Defense Center, Camp Diego de Dios, Cavite. Once again, please give yourself a round of applause. This concludes our distribution of certificates and special awards. We would like to thank Major Artemio J. Alusada together with Dr. Casecia T. Canubas for assisting the distribution of certificates.
Please be seated as we commence to the next presentation.
Yun, nadali.
Please be seated as we commence to the next presentation.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have witnessed the recognition of our graduates' hard work and dedication. Now, we come to a special part of our program, the class impression.
This speech holds particular significance as it comes not from an officer or guest, but one of our very own graduates.
The 8 of our cadets will share their perspective on this journey, offering insight and inspiration not just to their fellow graduates, but to all of us gathered here.
Without further ado,
It is our honor to introduce who will deliver the experience speech, Cadet Kenny Dave Rivelo.
Iba kasi yung saludo ng may dala. May dala. Rifle, iba rin yung may flag.
Cadet Rivelo.
Parents and all of my fellow friends who are here before you, God. I am Cadet Kennedy Fellow. We have 12 cadets. It is my honor to extend our warmest gratitude and appreciation to all instructors and officers for imparting us knowledge and instilling discipline to all of us cadets. As part of our learning program for this work immersion, in 3 weeks of staying here in this camp. I am so lucky that I have been given opportunity to speak and stand before you. I am privileged to be here and filled with joy in my colleague cadets as we render our duty in the work immersion program. Ang araw na ito ay isang importante na araw para sa atin. Ito ay ang pagbukas sa seremonya matapos na nakaranasan ng ilang araw na gawain sa loob ng kampo. Sa pagtungtong natin sa lugar na ito, bilang ba tayo ay bawang ng mga tradisyon at patakaran na nakabulong sa loob ng kampo. Akala ko dati, magiging madali lang ang gawain dito. Buwan-buwan lang dito, ibibigit lang doon, walis-walis lang dyan. Ngunit hindi lang pala yun. Tinuruan tayong lahat ng higit pa na masipon natin sa lahat ng aking nasabi. At yun ay aking disiplina. Tinuruan tayo maging disiplinado sa ating mga sarili. Tinuruan tayo sumunod sa kung ano lamang ang sinabi at tinuro sa atin na dapat tayong matulong ang isama sa isa't isa. Tinura sa atin ang mga tradisyon sa loob ng hapon kung paano buhay at respeto sa ating mga instructors and military officers. At sa bawat pagkakamali ng isa, ay siya din pagkakamali ng lahat. Maraming bagay ang ating natutunan sa loob ng hapon na hindi natin mabibilang sa ating mga dalilan. Tinuruan tayo nito na dapat as a student ay responsable at disiplinado tayo sa lahat ng bagay na ating gagawin. Pagkat tayo ay magiging halimbawa ng mga darating na batch na hinahanap. Labis ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng instructors at military officers na nagbigay sila ng kanilang oras. Pawis at lakas upang matulungan kami. Hindi man kami ang pinakamahusay, pinakamabait, ngunit labis kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong itinulong na oras at pasensya para sa amin. Sa mga kapwa kong kadete na narito, nagpapasalamat ako sapagkat pinapasama ko kayo. Sa buong journey ng ating work immersion, may pagkapilyo man at pagkamaingay, tayo ay nagkaroon ng magandang pakikisama at pagdadamayan sa problema ng isa't isa. For we are one for all, and all for one. Naway lahat ng mga natutunan sa loob ng kampo ay ating magamit at ay sa buhay sa loob ng ating mga tahanan, ng ating paaralan at kahit saan man tayo magtagpuan. Huwag sana natin malimutan ang mga aral at naitinuro sa atin, ang pagdidisiplina natin sa ating mga sarili at ang ating mga nabuong pakikipagkaibigan. Naway sa ating pagkakabuklod-buklod patungo sa ating mga tatakaming landas ay hindi natin makakalimutan ang mga taong tumulong sa atin at ang ating mga samahan. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig at maraming salamat sa mga instructors and military officers sa atin. Upang gawain kami sa aming work immersion. Kapatid ko po, hindi po ito ang katapusan ng pakikibangan. Buhay hindi ito ang pasimula pa lamang para sa mga binubuo pa namin pangarap. Good evening everyone. God bless us all.
Thank you, Kapatid Rivero, for the inspiring words. Your insights and really capture the essence of your shared experience in this program.
Without further ado,
It is our honor to introduce who will deliver her experience speech.
Cadet May Panganiban. Please give her a round of applause.
Tingkat! Go!
Ikaw din, tikas pa nga ka din.
Good evening, everyone. Ako si Cadet May Panganiban from Alpha Second. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat na nagturo at dumisiplina sa amin. Sir Marcelino, Sir Calderon, at sa pagtuturo ng paulit-ulit. Alam namin na ihirapan din kayo sa pagtuturo ng paulit-ulit at sa pagreklamo namin. Na masakit na yung paa ko, masakit na yung likod ko. Tayo. Napaparusahan din po kayo dahil sa mga kasalanan namin. Sa bawat tattoo may makukulit. Di ko masasabi ang kasama ko na hindi ako makulit. Isa ako sa makulit doon. Nag-irin ako ng pagalitan ng PL namin. Minsan na rin ako ng pagalitan ng isa sa nagturo sa amin kasi may hindi siya na may nakita siya na hindi magandang attitude sa akin. Hindi ko rin makakalimutan yung 3M at 3S. Makinig, makisama, at makiramdam. 3S, sumunod, ng sumunod, ng sumunod. Hindi ko rin makakalimutan yung twinkle, twinkle. At yung may kapangyarihan ni Sir Marcelino. Last time. Natutuloy kami makisalumuhan sa mga tao, di namin kilala. nagkaroon kami ng mga bagong kaibigan at karanasan. Napagsasabihan tayo kasi may nakikita silang sa atin na hindi maganda ugali. Pero at least may natutunan tayo. Kasi tayo, madali daw yung pinapagawa sa atin para sa batch 1 at batch 2. Bukod sila, pilan sila lagi sa araw, tayo ay nasa lilim lamang. Di ko napapahabain. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga humawak sa amin, nagturo. Sa aming mga basic training. Basic daw pero maraming nahihirapan sa amin. Sana lang ay sa buhay natin ang mga natuturo natin. Sa atin ang mga instructor at seniors natin. Sir, salamat sa pagtuturo. So, Patrick, salamat sa memories at experience. Sana kahit sa school ay ganito pa din lang. Tatuhan natin. Yun lang. Graduate na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa immersion natin. Next na ito, sa na tayo graduate. So, all batch 3, congratulations. Sa batch 4, good luck. Salamat.
Thank you, Cadet Pangaliban, for the wonderful words.
Let us once again show our appreciation for the two cadets who shared their experiences with a round of applause.
And now, as we proceed with this program, may we call Dr. Kusesha T. Canovas, Worker Commercial Head of Tansa National Faith School, Senior High School, for the inspiration remarks for Class 3. Please give her a round of applause.
Our endless gratitude to the 402nd CPC Director, Major Kennedy Gonzalez, sir, and our teacher, Technical Sergeant Major, sir, and si Sir Ivan, Corporal Ivan, for the endless support and love to train you all, our students at Tansa National High School. In behalf of our school principal, Dr. Rolando Pinitini, of course, we would like to convey our thankfulness, forever gratefulness to the 402nd CPC. Lagi mo nandiyan para i-play ang ating mga students. And the cycle repeats itself actually. Dahil sa lahat ng nagdaang batches, group rather, ng students being trained here at 402nd CPC, in day first, or day 1, or day 2, they would say, ang daming nag-chat sa amin, ma'am, gusto ko po magpalipat. A lot of them to me. But after some days, papalapit na yung katapos ng inyong training, ayan naman magbibigay sa amin. Ma'am, pwede po ba kami mag-explain? Diba? So, masaya. It's a great feeling actually. And my heart actually is full of gratitude today. Dahil may natanggap ako invitation. It says here, please be informed that the 4th Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command, Philippine Army, will hold its recognition rights ICOW 29, founding anniversary with the theme 4th RCTE at 29. Pagpupulgay sa natatanging serbisyo ng lahat kawal sa Timog Katagalugan tungo sa bagong Pilipinas. I am invited to this event as an award. And you know what? It is all also because of you, students at Tansa National Faith School. Palakpakan naman niya ang inyong mga sarili. Gusto ko lang din po emphasize ulit that the word immersion is actually all about your specialization. Doon na sa ating evaluation sheet wherein you are graded for your performance for the word immersion. Hindi naman nababanggit actually about your performance regarding your specialization. But it is more about interpersonal relationship, respect, basically, yun doon pumiikot yung ating evaluation actually for the word immersion. And I am also happy that our parents are here with us. Na na-share ko na before na nakakatuwa lang na dito ko naramdaman sa 402nd CPC ang support ng ating mga magulang for the word immersion. And also, I have 3 students here, previously the elementary na here. Ibig sabihin, estudyante pa sila nung elementary sila. We have Nancy, who became one of the leader here, the team leader. Yan, very snappy yung bata, si Nancy. Estudyante ko yan sa elementary. We also have Vince. Ayan, galing din yan. And we also have Christian. Ayan, mga tatlong students mo yan in the elementary. Natutuwa ako because I am sharing the joy with you guys being here at the Coral Second CPC. And with this invitation to receive the award, gusto ko lang lumipat sa from that bed. Kumbaga po, it inspires me a lot. Kaya po, our tawag nito, spare time. Gumagawa pa rin po kami ng newspaper for the Coral Second CPC. And nakakatuwa because the previous batch and also this batch, the group 3, had contributed at least 20 articles for the next, for our next issue for the 407 Coral News. Okay, so with that, I would like to congratulate all the group 3 and welcome to the group 4 for their training of working here at 407 CPC. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Enribas, for the wonderful remark you have provided for us today.
May we request our keynote speaker, Major Artemio J. Lozada, Military Intelligence Philippine Army, Director of Corporate Sector Unity Defense.
So, I was asked to introduce our keynote speaker. So our keynote speaker po ay isa ding product ng CAT at product din siya ng basic and advanced advocacy. Naging core commander siya. Naging yung nag-aaral, no? Nabasa ko yung research, sobrang very inspiring dahil nag-start talaga siya sa Manila. Nagsumabot siya ng major. Sa ngayon po siya, ang director dito, siya po ang merong ilaan ng suporta in partnership with the Chet na nagkaroon ng partnership dito ang ating mga kabataan in support to the para maging makabayan ng ating mga youth members from the RPC and CAT. So without further ado, para din po tayo ngayon, it is an honor and privilege to introduce to you our keynote speaker, Major Artemio J. Alisada, the Director of Forest Security.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. First, ay bukas na pa natin. Always welcome sa inyo. Ay nandito. I hope skills.
Manong mayroon kami dito sa Army Camp, sa Puro CDC. Ano mayroon na natin dito? And we are doing our best na paano kayo support, share with you, ano yung bilog sa inyo, na military, na ROTC, military training, is to prepare our youth, is to prepare our youth. Hindi natin ang ating mga kabataan, mga youth natin, na military, hinahanda natin ang mga kabataan. And after, ito sa senior high, mayroon tayo tinatawag na ROTC, hindi ba mag-proceed sa college, may ROTC. So ang military training, wala pa po tayo mandatory ROTC, but optional. Optional yung ating ROTC, but we have 19 universities, colleges na may ROTC units tayo dito sa Cavite. We have more than 9,000 ROTC cadets. Hopefully, hindi namin alam kung ano yung mix na pagtutunguhan ninyo at may kasasabihan, a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. Single step ito sinimulan ninyo. Kaya kanina nag-receive kayo ng mga certificates galing sa manipis na papel. At hindi importante ang papel doon yung nilalaman. At pagkaingatan ninyo, yung take pictures at nilagay ninyo sa inyong resume. Yung service kayo, RSOI, or kung maging sundalo kayo, SOI, kasama rin yung pamilya. Bigin, kung ano yung sinimulan ninyo, simulan pa lang to. Kung ano yung journey na papasukan ninyo pagdating nyo sa college. I would like to encourage ninyo to proceed with college. Mahirap ang buhay, but maraming paraan. Ako po ay ang working college student from Foundation University of Cavite City. Back in 2003. Working college student at the same time. ROTC, 2 years in ROTC, 4 years in advanced ROTC, and 4 years in martial arts. Working for that. Hindi po rason ang kahirapan. Hindi rason ang kahirapan. Ito yung mga magulang ninyo, dapat tulungan ninyo. Mayroon po tayong nilagawag dito. Yung sinasabi natin sa college, ROTC Go College. Ano yung ROTC Go College? Or ano yung dapat pinamatan ninyo sa inyo, yung pagandahang asal, pinabayin natin yung pagandahang asal sa ating mga kabataan. Mostly sa mga kabataan ngayon, hindi na po tumutulong sa gawaing bahay. Nag-cellphone na lang, nag-tablet na lang, nag-laptop na lang. Kaya po, pag nag-apply kayo ng sundalo, hindi kayo magatanggap. Bakit sila yung mga ninyo para sa university?
Dami na naman.
Balance. Ang sinasabi namin. Anak ko yung nasa harap kinig niya. Balance na. Sinasabi niya na hinganan yung mata, bukulog ka na. Kaya gawin nyo. Kasi pag pinagaya ninyo, sino po ang makawa? Tayo lang, kayo din. Okay? Bata-bata pa, nagsalamin.
See you on my next vlog.
Milben TV.
Subscribe,
Like.
share.